Hello everyone, welcome to Skyreels-Audio.
SkyReels-Audio is a new AI framework designed to generate and edit realistic talking portrait videos using a combination of audio, text, and visual inputs. Unlike many existing systems, it handles long videos with high fidelity and temporal consistency, making it possible to produce expressive, lifelike faces that stay in sync with the audio. Built on top of pre-trained video diffusion transformers, the system allows for infinite-length video generation while maintaining control through multimodal inputs. It uses a step-by-step learning process called hybrid curriculum learning to align audio with facial motion, enabling precise control over expressions across time. To enhance facial detail and expression accuracy, it introduces a facial mask loss and an audio-guided, classifier-free guidance method. A sliding window denoising technique helps stitch together video segments seamlessly, ensuring smooth transitions and consistent identity throughout. The team also created a high-quality dataset made of matched audio, video, and text pairs to train the model. Benchmarks show SkyReels-Audio leads in lip-sync accuracy, facial realism, and identity preservation, even in complex scenarios, setting a new standard for AI-generated talking portraits. This diagram shows how an AI model creates realistic videos using images, text, and audio. It starts by taking reference images or video clips to understand how the person or scene should look. These visuals are processed by a tool called CLIP, while the original video frames are passed through a model that adds some noise to help the AI learn better. A text prompt, like "a man standing in a forest," is also added and turned into useful information using a language model. If there's audio, it gets converted into text using Whisper, and then turned into features the model can use. All this information, images, text, and audio, is combined in the main part of the model, where it learns how to match everything together. Finally, the model turns this data into a new, realistic video that matches the look, setting, and sound provided.